etu ma me kan wi akwa question kwa ka omusa
o de nya abotetie mi baby asama wo kan ye no
this is unnecessarily meba ka betima say
me so me nte wase da
ene kan wase
because vice president and the head
I'm not saying say you the head me say point I'm making it say before Baumia became the head of the police council there was somebody and I'm
why not
good and even before that person came there was somebody crowd control
eh dey obi free hobi be
me say crowd control issues in the police and then they become wasem and this for almost so no agbogbosi ni issues na sisi here no and then the crowd control asem ya na eka
o say agbogbosi
me say issues na sisi here say atiwa agbogbosi issues those issues enye na asem ebe sida bam say asem ba na opese wo kan na nkofo fa wo asem say asem na wo kan ye fa nya adwuma wo ye unnecessary politics ni free
okay
and baba mi abeye ye no na ba na mama de wo na papa. No, I'm just making the same point you made. And mutrimo den say nanado. Yes. Who is wicked and John Mama? On one name called one free the same place squad. A Jana on bedroom school can go 2 years no vanko. Who is wicked and John Mama? Abra and Kofo and Tokwesi and Kofo Prano. Yaka also the minister say violence beget violence. Osakeno. O commentate. Asem si na asem nya and found say see ni fan si bunkum. Let's have that sense of purpose. You be there in politics o. Any question on kwanze bit me see otafo. Amity. Me a madam for Hasco. You could not otafo. Police on the end sir.
Really?
Yes. You know kasa my dino or sha so na me raho
eba out say
eba out.
Am omo gitu mu.
Eba out e wie no asem ko akwa watre sam. What just say? And these are things see on daily basis. It will take obi on kind of crane because NPP are buying quarter nesi. And that's exactly what Mahmoud Kabul was trying to do. Yeni ana Rikopoku because to cha obi akwasa Rikopoku mbase. Kolizauda nia. Me wa kolizauda nia. Wa meka se odoku nipa de bia. Kolizauda nia no on tiga no obi ate no.
But the son say, ya said their trip crankrofobia. Now, Bronsama Bubon Crophobia pass say, at the papa be a best Sagana, Amagana, Akon, and him almost someone timbre tritino. Yes, sorry, at near Checambra, near the ABC and him. Now, a tro propaganda, the nim, near Beck near the Adda Ghana, Bebuno, Sabi, and free education or Piojan and me, actually, ye quank a bit to me in a sea, now Cobono. But media, they be a mecassa me bar. Ya de no crano. And I bet to be a no Ukrainian thing. Edda. Now, Tia. Bayer, Mamma Fanny say, Bayer 4 days near. And Mahunu say, Yen Yanoma from NDC for no. Omo ye party beer. Say a banner say, Omon Cocandia, Omu bet me I actually Ghana for a yenibi. Now, remember example. 2008, they never told Ghanaians what they were going to do for Ghanaians if they come to power. 2008 was when President Akufo was done with his term. Esanka NDC for Beka China, the Omobede, the Omobeye. Yakofa BB, I see a friend 110 premium 2012 by Yentumia, Feno Cotton Chain. 2008, this is how NDC won their election, just like they are doing. Oh, NPP, phone in Naya Cromfort, Oma we are buying Sika, Oma for buying say, Omu ye say. So what they did in 2008, the formula hasn't changed. Ghana for the Winya Kokase, where we are there, where a Cromfort penny, where a corrupt here, yet in every 20 actually. Because Obia person didn't failure at what buying to say, hey, I buy na. Yes, Sana Ghana system na koye. Obia or then failure bedding Everton so. It is a yedinico school crown on where Jai Yako yes or bet your truck at the sale on one life wa. The life now I say no, young fan shall buy my young fan share or no individual now when taking responsibility for no one. And all is because of the doctrines of NDC. They always makes you feel helpless to your own self. Say one casa de won't to me wow. Now suye we ye dear ubi bia esha bemu. Arahu seme woman say one more person with who be Biasha Bemu, so more Bemua, Niamana, almost yes, democratic for Elsanki, a Yananka ordinary citizen, Otono, and also Omonye. And in 2008, Messiah Kaimo, one must start say, Kufu appointees a Kobe, and Omutibe Kufuoso. And Omutebe Kufu Maso, and a Kufu Makoto Hotel, and a Kufakoto Hotel, and a Kufakoto Say, and a Kufako feed that Mawaha, and a Kufoni about Yakoda, Kufoni about Yakwanyam. That is the campaign message they did. Because they saw, said, things like that resonate with Ghanaians more. Because you could say, my GDP, you don't know who say, GDP is in the day. Okokasi ebema unemployment akos from one kakra bi na better unemployment na say but so okokasi yes Akufo Addo we ska yenya campaign message, and that is how NDC has been. And into 2008 they were not me obi obetumi akai one thing at 2008 eya Mills ne mahama eba no mo ka say omobeye the only thing omobe gina o kan ya ne say the populist thing. Yeba, yeba todo 2020 kamo maka dia mo NPP NDC for mo ba mo be ye no. They still stuck to the same insult. Afa kura de e soldier fo eti ba bi e na sami jamfiko tu na no see yeso. Mo e soldier fo way when we come to power you people will see. We will deal with you drastically. Hey. Sami Jamfi. To me there army. Not army general for almost to her. Monte to her a better than a month now. Because or 10 hununi or 10 feet and answer my kumem. Because so the new time papa and as again papa won't mind one. Once now my collaborative says Sami Jamfi and threatening the whole army. The sovereignty of Ghana. A whole army say, Omoba power amubehu. Now come on what Motiha and will be free UK ton. And Kwasia Sebo want to mean in the UK or Bejina Ghana say more military for the nano, more bogus. I judge for young Kwasia for I didn't think I judge for young Kwasia for the 11 aba. Yes, 11 your best stop one side be your coup d'etat. Or be able claim so person your coup d'etat. Ghana army with the generals and all the majors we have, yet to hold them peteshi. And peteshi no young girls na move here will be to me sorry kukuram one time. Where is the spirit Rollins left with you people? Rollins mom will say obi dani dem kura mutu me the shit bomb se kobo bono and then the Ghana army man come say gumubo and am kurasefo bi no sorry no afa camera si nanim no kan kwase asem kire mpenfo na army ni to Nanki no an say na me na Sami Jamfi na eba be de Ghana army. Ki no an say na me na ohoho a wonu ti UK okura UK citizen e na eba be ka kire wo Ghana ni wasesa ne ma na yere no makogu UK. No be ka kire wo Ghana ni say yanko ye coup d'etat because you sit to one city. Na no you free say sa coup d'etat no the businesses ebegu businesses ebeku nkrofo ebe say how the democratic process has been set. NDC never brought any good policy to transform free education. Their only solution was a young term because you and a campaign.